So this is the weekly chart for gold, and we have a possible trading opportunity. So if you mark here, you will see that this is our high. This is an area the market has failed to break. And then from this high, we've come down all the way to form this fresh low here. And then here we had it, an area the market has also failed to break, that is our resistance. And now on the weekly, we have from this high and then this new low here, there's a difference between this high and then this new low, which is here. And that's why we are interested in trading. So once we have this, we can know that we are trading around this region here. We want this circle to complete. This low here has to be completed before we can break down into 74,000. Or else, if the market gets out of this range and then heads back up, then that will be a different story. Now, with that being said, I can switch to a smaller time frame. Then we begin to look for entries around here. And those entries will be for sell to the downside. So when I come to the 1 hourly time frame, let me just do it the 4 hourly. So this is how it looks like. So on the 4 hourly, you can clearly tell this is where this is the area we marked, which is an area of price difference. So what I want you to observe from here is that, remember we have the whole of this to be the area we want price to come into. And now from here, you can see clearly here, the difference between this and then this here, and then now on the 4 hour, you can see we have from this area here, the market failed to break further up and then gives us a clean price difference candle, which is here. Now this becomes then the area in which we will learn to look for trades in case market pulls back into this, and we shall have these lows as our first target. And then if the low is broken, then we can aim for this other low here. So now I can come to the 1 hourly time frame, and then I begin to anticipate how we can have possible entries. So you can clearly see whenever price reached into this area here, which was our weekly price difference, gave us a resistance here. And then from this resistance, the market comes to break below this low here, giving us a lower low. That means now when price pulls back into this area, this is where we are looking for the trade to the downside. If we have another break here to the downside. Otherwise, if the market continues up and breaks this, then the story would have changed. But this is an area we're looking for trading opportunities, and the first target will be here. And then if it is broken, we can target down here. So this is gold, basically, how we've analyzed it on the weekly time frame all the way to the 1 hourly, and then our areas of entries. So let's see how this plays out for the remaining of these days, which would be Thursday, Friday, up to Sunday. So let's see how this plays out.